In this video, we're going to make the most amazing and unique apple cake you've ever had, the Monferrato Black Apple Cake. Now I know what you're thinking, a black apple cake? Yes, you heard that right. This ancient Italian cake gets its super dark color from cocoa powder and a long, slow baking process that allows the sugars to deeply caramelize. But it's not just the color that makes this cake incredible. The soft, moist texture comes from pureeing fresh apples into the batter along with crunchy Amaretti cookies. Talk about flavor! We're going to go step by step through this delicious recipe. You'll be the star of any gathering when you show up with this black beauty. Let's get started! The first step in making this delicious black apple cake is to prepare the apples and Amaretti cookies. Peel and slice the Renette apples. You will need about 1 kilogram of peeled apples. Place them in a saucepan with 20 grams of butter and half a cup of dry white wine, stirring with a spoon. Cook the apples until they dry out and almost completely break down, which takes about 30 minutes. At the end of cooking, add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch to help thicken the mixture and stir. Set aside and allow to cool completely. Place 150 grams of Amaretti cookies into a large bag. Seal the bag tightly, ensuring no air remains inside, and position the sealed bag on a flat surface. Take a rolling pin and firmly roll it over the bag, applying even pressure. Continue rolling until the Amaretti cookies have broken down into small crumbs. Carefully open the bag once you achieve the desired crumb texture of the Amaretti cookies. In the saucepan with cooled apples, add the crushed Amaretti cookies, 150 grams of sugar, 70 grams of unsweetened cocoa powder, a pinch of salt, a pinch of cinnamon and nutmeg, and the grated zest of 1 organic lemon. Mix well, then add 2 eggs and half a cup of milk, stirring to combine. Grease and flour a cake pan of about centimeter 24 diameter. Pour the batter into the pan, forming a layer about 5 centimeters thick. Bake in the preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius for 1 hour, or until the cake is dry and a thin crust is formed on top. To check if your cake is fully cooked, insert a toothpick into the center. If it comes out clean, your black apple cake is done baking. Allow the cake to cool completely, then optionally dust with powdered sugar to serve. Your black apple cake is ready. Enjoy!